This park already had a splash pad. That brought people in. It served a purpose. But it wasn't a destination yet. It was one feature, not a year-round system.
A couple of years ago, we had a splash pad to come in and say, we got the kids here now. This gives them something we can use year-round instead of just 2 or 3 months out of the year.
When you pair the right elements together, something changes. Visit time increases, foot traffic expands, people don't just stop by, they stay. And when people stay, the entire dynamic of the space shifts. Amenities don't operate in isolation, they reinforce each other. A splash pad attracts, a playground retains, together they create flow.
You're going to bring even more people down, not just the splash pad, but now they got a playground to the splash pad, which is super exciting. But I think you're going to bring other people down to the city of Harriman from other counties. I think that's a cool part of it. I think, like I said, whenever you're trying to grow, I guess, it's pretty cool to have things like these for the kids to be able to come and do and stay local.
That's when a local park becomes something more, not just a community space, a regional draw. And that doesn't happen by accident. It happens through intentional planning. You don't measure success by opening day. You measure it by usage. Who shows up, how long they stay, how often they come back.
We've been open a couple weeks, and they're here from daylight to dark playing. This evening, as we get finished up more, there are going to be more kids coming. That word gets out that it's here.
That's the signal. Immediate, consistent use. That tells you this didn't just attract attention, it changed behavior. People aren't just stopping by, they're planning to come here.
We have already received such a huge response from our community members asking us, when is the playground going to be open? We're so excited about the playground.
That kind of response doesn't come from marketing. It comes from unmet demand. When people are asking about a space before it opens, you're not introducing something new, you're fulfilling something that was missing.
We have family members who have children who are so excited to come here, and children of all abilities.
And when that demand needs access, something shifts. People don't just visit once, they come back, they stay longer, they bring other people with them. That's how usage compounds. Destination spaces aren't built by adding features randomly. They're built by creating a system that works together. Attraction, engagement, retention. That's what turns a stop into a place people are going to choose. This works because people don't just come here. They plan to be here, they plan to stay, and they come back. That's what makes a playground space a destination.